Okay, this is a follow from last week. So I said this is a seed that the avocado seed I started growing. It's been 10 days, and look what's going on this. It looks like the plant is growing, and apparently it's actually creeping out through the middle, and that's what it's looking like right now, which is really cool. There is like little roots also growing inside that I noticed, and they're actually starting to peek out from the bottom. So like new roots, and I mean it's like a white little root that's peeking out that I noticed. But I'm really excited about this. I'm actually growing an avocado seed. How exciting. The one that didn't quite work was kind of like a little bit of a bust was this one. I split it in half because it seemed like there was a root there on one of them, maybe on the other one, and I just figured, well, let me see what happens. Maybe something else might grow out of it, but I don't know. It might not work. But this one over here, it looks like it's growing. So next week I'll follow up and tell you what's going on with this avocado seed and what kind of success there is in this one. And I guess once it's actually grown into, a plant, most likely I will be transferring it into a pot. So I guess stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.